Today, take a look at the Chapin Bleach Disinfectant Sprayer. So we got our trigger and we got our nozzle. What we're going to do is take this collar and thread that on. So it is semi-flexible, but mostly rigid. And we have a little adjustment on here so we can adjust the spray pattern. Nice stiff trigger, which is excellent, so I don't have to worry about this thing spraying accidentally. And the supply line does have a seal on it, so I don't have to worry about anything spilling out. And it has a filter on the bottom to make sure we're not putting any sediment inside that line. I've seen some reports of there being some plastic in there that needs to be cut out. This one does have a little piece of plastic, but I think this will push by it. Yeah, not an issue. Now, if that was an issue, I'd probably just take a drill, like a quarter or maybe a 3/8, fit it down there and drill that out. But I'm a fortunate one, so I don't have to deal with that. You can't see that rubber O-ring. We'll see right inside of there. So we know it's going to make a good seal. Then we'll just thread this on to hold it in place. So one thing I really like to see is this actually has a funnel built in. So you have to get a funnel to pour contents inside of here. Nothing too special going on inside there. So this is our pump. So it does have a lock on it, so we can't pull it in and out. If we twist that to the left, that unlocks it. And that is how we pressurize the system. I do like that this locks so we can pick the whole thing up by the handle whenever we want to go spraying. And this also has a thick rubber seal on the top to seal that to the bottle. So I'm going to be using this with 45% vinegar and baby shampoo. An alternative to baby shampoo is dish soap or surfactant. Surfactant is the thing that's designed for this. It's going to make it stick to the plant so it allows the vinegar to work. I have also heard of people using salt with it. I don't like using salt because salt is very corrosive on my property. This is very strong stuff, so I'm going to be filling this outside. The jug is sealed. And I definitely do this outside because this is strong stuff. I'm going to fill that about halfway and add some soap. And a heck of a lot. The idea is we just want to make it tacky. And the rest is in there. So that is what 1 gallon plus a little bit of soap looks like. And here we are a day later. So that is some pretty good stuff.